hate it when you tell people your insecurities and they make fun of IT.
Pardon me. Like, if I trust you enough to tell you my insecurities and you make fun of me, why did I trust you in the first place? For example, my friend was telling our mutual friend that she was insecure about her nose, and he continued to call her big nosed while telling her not to make fun of other mutual friends' insecurities. Anyways, do you guys have any experiences you're comfortable sharing? Buy my little trinkets